is an off-site built custom home.
This new and innovative construction method is the future of building.
Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your off-site home construction expert. And today is a very special day because we're standing in an off-site built custom home delivered and set on a permanent concrete foundation. And I would like to just give you a little walkthrough real quick of some of the features that you're gonna get in your off-site custom built home that's delivered to you. Standing in the kitchen here, as you can see, it's really nice. Quartz countertops. This one has the upgraded appliances, flat burning range, vent hood, vented out. All of the great same qualities that you'll come to expect from anything that's built site. On-site built, we're the same. It's just built off-site, delivered, set on a permanent foundation. All the windows are cased, trimmed and cased. Full sheetrock, 9-foot ceilings. This model's got cabinets all the way to the ceiling. You're probably gonna need a ladder to use them, but it still has them. The pantry is loaded with shelves. No wire shelves. The same quality in the pantry on the cabinets as it is in the kitchen cabinets. Okay, all the shelves are adjustable. So they're all adjustable shelves. All the drawers have the undermount hinges, soft close. It's really cool. You know, like on this one we did tongue and groove shiplap siding on the interior wall here. Come with me real quick, we'll check out the primary suite. It's back here on the end. Like I said, every single window is cased out, trimmed and cased. 6-inch baseboards. Custom tiled showers. And check out that closet. No wire shelves in here. Cabinet grade closet shelves and drawers. So your closets are loaded up with shelves and drawers. Everybody likes big closets, lots of storage. Now, this one's particularly interesting because it's a 2-story. So we got another bedroom here. So we got 2 bedrooms downstairs. So this would be like a guest bedroom. Let's check out the upstairs. This house was delivered on trucks and trailers and set on site. We have another 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, full bath up here. All of this in 1,900 square feet. Yep. Good sized bedrooms. Now the ceiling height upstairs is going to be 8 foot, 9 foot downstairs. I love it. So cool. 2-story. Delivered in days, not months, not years. A matter of days. And there's a new house sitting here. Tile backsplash. Everything you expect from site-built quality delivered in an off-site method. Check us out, Evolution Modular Homes. You can always call or text 405-674-4422. I'll see you on the next video.